Good morning, everybody. My name is Miss Keiko. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is to make magnet, animal magnet. Is it a magnet here? Okay. So there are 4 kinds, and you picked one of them. All right. And this is a finished piece, and then I'm going to show you 3 more. All right. Good. Okay, let's start from hippo. Okay, hippo like this. You can do ears. Let's see. You can put hippo, right? And it says hippo hop. Hey, and everything is so easy because there's just a peeling sticky thing in the back of it. Sometimes it's difficult to peel. There, all right? And then here, the bottom part here, all right? So let's see, I will show it to you, okay? And there it is, okay? Like this, okay? Now, next one is, let's see, on the top of it, you can put face. Like this, all right? Here you have an instruction paper here like this, all right? You can take a look. Now again, this has papers, so just like this. Okay, here it is. Let's put it this way here. All right. Okay, good. Now, let's put sunglasses, green sunglasses. Okay. That's yep. Okay. And then above it, okay, let me see. Let me put, just make sure I'm doing the right thing, okay? This is a thing here. Okay, just above it, okay. And then shiny, make it very shiny glasses, okay. All right, it's a very fancy glasses. Okay, here it is. Okay. Now you have one magnet in your bag, right? Here, if you take a look, there's a shiny part, very shiny, okay, very smooth. And then this is just like kind of dull color, all right? Make sure you put sticky thing in this side, not shiny side, but dull side here, okay? So when you finish it, it will go like this in the back like this, okay? Shiny side is out, you can see it, okay? Let's peel it, right? All right, and then both sides, okay, you have to peel both sides, all right? Now, okay, here it is. Okay. This is shiny side, okay, and I put kind of middle, all right, and then it's done. Okay, you can try it. Okay? You can try it. All right, I know it will work. Okay, on the refrigerator. Okay, good. All right, shall we try giraffe? Okay, the giraffe is the giraffe. Okay. And here it says, get wild. Okay. Let's peel it. Peel it. What? All right, good. And in the bottom part, just like this. There. Okay. Now, next, this is a little bit different from the first one though, but here, there's a face here, okay, part of face. And I'm going to put it like this. Yeah. Now, next one, there's two little things left here, like this. Okay? You are going to put them this and then here, okay? Let's see. Yep, it comes off very easily. That's a 2. Okay. Here it is, just like this. All right. Okay. Now, next is glasses, sunglasses. The blue fancy sunglasses. Okay. Peel. Okay. And then, yeah, like this. Okay. And then shiny things here. Shiny things. 1 and 1 more. I didn't peel this one very well. Okay, I have to kind of cut it. Yep. Cut it. Going this way. There. Fancy giraffe. Right? Now, next one is find magnet. Okay. Again, shiny side and kind of dull side. Okay. Peel. All right. Okay. And then one more peeling. One more peeling. Oh, make sure I put this in the right side. Okay. This shiny side. Okay. And then back of the giraffe. Okay. Kind of middle section here. There. And then all done. Okay. Good. And I have one more I will show it to you. There's a zebra. Like this. Okay. Here, oh, it says party animal. Let's peel it. Let's peel it. All right, party animal. And then here, to make face. Yep. Okay. Just above this sign here. Here. Okay. There. And then you have 2 little things here. 2 little things here. 2 little things here. Okay. At the side of the sign, you can put it. Okay. I see. That's kind of difficult. Yeah, got it. 1. And then 1 more. And zebra has 1 extra things. Can you see 1 in here? All right, that goes on the top here. Okay, and then there, like this. Now, the sunglasses. Here comes very important sunglasses. There, orange one. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And here it is. Very good. And stick the shiny things. And 1. And then 1 more. 1 more. There it is. Okay. Now, the last one is magnet. Okay. Let's peel both sides. 1 and 1 more. Yep. Remember, this is shiny side, this is kind of dull side. Okay. All right. And then put in a kind of middle area. Okay. There it is. All right, so we are all done. Either you have zebra or giraffe or hippo or lion. Okay, I hope you enjoyed making magnet, okay, animal magnet today. All right, so next Take and Make craft is coming up in first week of August, which is actually that's the second week. That's ACE. Okay. Video showing is ACE, August 8th. So that week, Monday is the 3rd. Monday through Friday, so August 3rd to August 7th, Friday, you can pick up one craft items at the curbside pickup station. All right. So thank you very much for joining me today. Please take care. All right. Till next time. Bye bye. Bye.